how to adjust sharpen in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make adjustments. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle you can see this project icon. Simply tap on it. So this is the project section. Now here you can create a new project or open any of the older project. Here I'm tapping on my older project. Here select the video that you want to edit first. Now here I'm tapping on this video. Now here on the bottom you can see different options. Swipe right until you find adjust. Simply tap on adjust. Now here you can see different options available. Here you'll be able to see sharpen. Simply tap on it. So this is the slider that you can change into. So here you can increase and decrease it according to your preference. And at last tap on the stick button. So you're all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.